Hey traders and future millionaires! Welcome back to Help You Trade, where we turn market mysteries into your financial victories. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to get ahead in the stock market game. Today, we're diving into some cool stock trading advice that could potentially change your portfolio forever. So grab your notepad and let's get started. Before we dive into the video, visit www.helpyoutrade.com. This platform offers cutting-edge insights and tools that can transform the way you approach the market. Whether you're just starting out or you're an experienced trader looking to refine your strategies, Help You Trade provides the edge you need to stay ahead in the ever-evolving financial landscape. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your trading game. Visit helpyoutrade.com to discover a wealth of resources tailored to help you succeed. Now let's explore those 5 game-changing stock trading strategies for 2024. Tip number 1. The early bird gets the worm. Ever heard of pre-market trading? This is where the action begins before the official market hours. By keeping an eye on pre-market movers, you can catch trends before they happen. But remember, with high potential comes higher risk, so always do your homework. Tip number 2. Research like a pro. Don't just follow the hype. Use tools and resources to analyze stocks. Look into financial statements, company news, and market analysis. Tip number 3. Diversify, diversify, diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different sectors and asset classes to mitigate risk. Remember, a well-balanced portfolio is your safety net in the volatile world of stock trading. Tip number 4. Master your emotions. Fear and greed are traders' worst enemies. Set clear rules for when to enter and exit trades, and stick to them. Use stop-loss orders to protect your investments and take profit orders to secure gains. Trading isn't about being right all the time, it's about being smart. Tip number 5. Keep learning and stay updated. The stock market is ever-changing, and so should your strategies. Follow financial news, join trading communities, and never stop educating yourself. The best traders are always students of the market. And there you have it, 5 cool stock trading tips to help you navigate the markets like a pro. Remember, trading involves risks, and it's crucial to do your own research or consult with a financial advisor. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share with your trading buddies, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Until next time, keep trading smart and let those profits roll in.